Where is the reset button located on a Samsung refrigerator?
Hello and welcome to our instructional guide. Today we're focusing on Samsung refrigerators, and specifically, we're going to learn about where to find the reset button. This is particularly useful if your refrigerator isn't working as expected and you need to reset its settings.
What is a reset button?
Before we dive into the whereabouts of the reset button, let's quickly understand what a reset button is. The reset button is a feature in many electronic devices that allows you to restore the device to its factory settings. On a Samsung refrigerator, this might be needed if you're experiencing issues with the temperature settings, the ice maker, or other features.
Where is the reset button on a Samsung refrigerator?
The precise location of the reset button can vary depending on the specific model of your Samsung refrigerator. However, it's usually not an actual physical button. Instead, you can perform a reset using a combination of buttons on the control panel of your fridge. For most Samsung models, you'll need to 1. Press and hold the Power Freeze and Power Cool buttons at the same time for around 8 to 10 seconds. 2. Release the buttons when you hear a chime sound, which indicates that the reset has occurred. Remember that the labels might vary slightly depending on the model, but they usually refer to the rapid cooling features of the fridge and freezer.
What if I can't find the reset button?
If you are unable to locate the buttons mentioned above, it's best to consult the user manual that came with your Samsung refrigerator. Each model can be slightly different, and the manual will provide specific instructions tailored for your model. That's it for this guide on locating the reset button on your Samsung refrigerator. We hope this has been helpful in solving your queries and assisting you with your refrigerator issues. Remember, when in doubt, always refer back to your user manual. Stay tuned for more helpful appliance tips and tricks.